Question number 1. A mixture of waves of wavelength is 5890 angstrom and 4000 angstrom is allowed to fall normally on a thin film of a thickness, this one, and what is the color showing in the reflection of the film. Okay, here we will use the formula. The condition for conceptive interference in reflected light, all of you know very well, is 2 mu t cos r is equal to 2 n plus 1 lambda by 2. All of you know that here mu is equal to 1 because here they asked for the air film, and now mu is equal to 1. What is the lambda? Lambda is equal to 4 into 1 into t cos r divided by 2n plus 1, and also here r is equal to 0 because of, you know that here fall on a normally. It means that lambda is equal to 4 1 t. T is given 0.2945 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter and into 1 divided by 2n plus 1. Okay, now finally we can write the lambda in this form: 11780 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter divided by 2n plus 1, and also you can write like that: 11780 angstrom divided by 2n plus 1. Okay, now when you put the value of n is equal to 0 1 2 so on, you will see that the lambda is equal to 11780 angstrom, and other value is 3926.6 angstrom, and at lambda is equal to 2, the value of the lambda is 2356 angstrom, and so on. You can see here, out of this wavelength, only this wavelength, this one is this wavelength, this one is the, and this one is the out of the visible range. So only you can see this wavelength, and other will be not appear, only this value will be appear, and this wavelength is equal to the violet light, because we know that the visible range is 38000 angstrom to 7000 angstrom. It will be the final answer of this question. Question number 2. In this question, a soap film of reflective index is given 4/3, and the thickness of the is around 1.5 into the power minus 4 centimeter, and also given the incident angle is 60 degree, and they will observe in a reflected case, and also given the wavelength is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter. It means that, and ask for the order of interference of dark plane. All of you know that what will be given? mu is equal to 4 by 3 refractive index, T is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 in centimeter, and also I is equal to 60 degree. Okay, and also you can write this equation in meter, draw 6 meter. Now you know that cos r is equal to, we can write 1 minus sine square r, and also you know that mu is equal to sine I divided by sine r. It means that the value of the cos r is 1 minus sine I divided by mu ka square. You know that the value of I and mu is sine 60 degree divided by 4 by 3 ka square, and the final value of is equal to 0.7604. This value is equal to cos r. And all of you know that the condition for dark band in a reflected light is 2 mu t cos r is equal to n lambda. And you know that the value of the n is known as the order is 2 mu t cos r divided by lambda, and all of you know that all the values is given. Mu is equal to 4 by 3, t is equal to 1.5 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter, and also 0.7604, and divided by the value of the lambda is given is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter, and the final answer is 6.0832, and the finally answer is 6. It will be the final answer of this question. Question number 3. In this question is given the wavelength of lambda 1 and lambda 2, and also given the condition, the nth dark ring due to coincide lambda 1 with n plus 1 dark ring due to lambda 2. Now in this question, basically given the condition nth dark rings due to lambda 1 coincided with n plus 1 dark ring due to the lambda 2. So all of you know that the condition for dark ring due to the lambda 1 is equal to, this is a diameter of dark ring is equal to 4n lambda 1 r. R is the radius of the curvature, and due to the lambda 2, sorry, dn plus 1 is equal to 4n plus 1 as per question. And these two values are coincide. It means that dn due to the lambda 1 will be coincided due n plus 1 due to the lambda 2. At that condition, we will see that 4n lambda 1 r is equal to under root 4n plus 1 lambda 2 r. Now from this relation, you will find the value of n. It means this n lambda 1 is equal to n plus 1 lambda 2, and all of you know that lambda 1 is given in this question is equal to 600 nanometer. Also you can write this 6 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter, and lambda 2 is also you can write 500 nanometer. It will equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Okay, when you put these two values here, you will find the value of n is 5. Now the question will be asked the diameter of nth dark ring for lambda 1. Now all of you know that the diameter due to the lambda 1 is equal to under root 4 and lambda 1 into r. All of things given. All of you know that value of the n is 5, lambda 1 is 6 into 10 to the power minus 7, and r is given. R is equal to 19 centimeter. You can convert in a meter is 0.9 meter. Here it will be a 0.9 meter, and the answer is 3.286 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, and also you can convert in a mm. 3.286 mm. It will be the final answer of this question. Question number 4. The given that two medium Now question number 4, given the two medium have a diameter is equal to 10:7 and find the ratio of refractive index. In this question, here we have a two medium 1 and medium 2, and they given the nth ring diameter ratio is like that, dn1 and dn2 is equal to 10:7, and all of you know that the diameter square is inversely proportional to the refractive index. It means that a ratio of mu1 and mu2 is equal to, we can write that dn2 divided by like that dn1 square is equal to 7 by 10 whole square, and the final answer is 49 divided by 100. Question number 5. The convex surface of plano-convex lens with the radius of curvature is given like that. Here r is equal to 40 centimeter. Now, and also given the radius of the certain rings is 0.25 centimeter. And watching the given ring, suppose you will see this ring, and now you will increase the gradually rise the length from the plate is by a 5 micrometer. It means 5 micrometer. So what has the radius? It means that suppose that you have a plano-convex like length like that. Here will be like that, and now you will observe a certain rings. Here is r is given is equal to 0.25 centimeter. When you will rise a certain distance from the plate, suppose you will rise here is 5 micrometer, then you know that the radius will be decreases here like that. Now they will ask the value of the r dash. R dash is equal to like that, r square minus 2r delta h. You know that the value is r is given 0.25 centimeter, and radius of the curvature capital R is equal to 40 centimeter, and delta H is when you rising a distance 5 micrometer, it will be equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. Now R dash, the value of the R dash is equal to R square is 0.25 centimeter square minus 2 into 40 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 4, and now final answer of the radius is 0.15 centimeter.